Hey guys, today I am going to make an easy version of an exotic fruit plate. This will include papaya, pineapple, watermelon, and pitaya slices. This project is for absolute beginner. Check out the description box for the materials. Take a small amount of yellow clay and add a little bit of orange. Then mix them together well. Here's what I mixed earlier. If you are not contented with the color, you can always add bits of orange to achieve the desired papaya color. And at the end, I added more yellow, orange, and an extra white translucent clay so it will not look so opaque. After mixing the clay, and if you are satisfied with the result, roll the orange clay to a log and then flatten it using a rolling pin. Cut the edges or slice the edges to make it even. Then slice the orange clay like what I am doing. Then separate each slices, and if in any case it got deformed during the process, just grab your silicone tool and shape it back. Next, prepare your ceramic plate and add liquid clay so that it will hold the fruit slices. Arrange the papaya slices the way you wanted it. Next, for the pineapple slices, mix lemon or yellow clay with translucent white clay. Next, slice the yellow clay the same way like the orange clay. We will be using the same technique or same shape for the other fruits, so I will skip this part later on the video. Make some slit on the top part of the pineapple slice. Then add some lines in front of the front part of the clay using a needle tool. Then arrange the pineapple slices in the plate. For the watermelon, I roll a red clay and again added some white translucent clay. And then I cut them the same shape as the other. Add texture using a toothbrush. Then add 1 to 3 seeds using black polymer clay. Then again arrange it on the plate. For the pitaya, I mixed together 1:1 ratio of white and translucent white clay. Then I shaped the pitaya slices like the others. Then add really tiny black clay on all sides of the white clay. And then arrange the pieces with the rest of the fruit slices. And lastly, I am going to add simple leaves in the center of the fruit plate to just complete the look. After arranging the leaves, you can completely bake the fruit plate and let it cool. Don't forget to add glossy varnish to make the fruit look juicy. Thank you for watching this simple and easy miniature fruit plate tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye and see you next time.